Hello, everyone. Good morning, and I would like to welcome you again to our webinar session today. I'm Elvin from Moldex3D European team, and the topic for today is compression molding analysis workflow in Moldex3D Studio with our latest version R17 that is scheduled to be officially released in Europe soon. Okay, so here's the content for today's webinar session. First, of course, we'll have a basic introduction about this module, about this molding process. And then I'll be talking about the compression molding workflow in R17 Studio to have a quick preview. And then I'm going to show you some video demo so you can have a better look of what it actually looked like in our studio interface and how to actually operate it. And finally, we'll have a short conclusion to conclude the day. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, the introduction. So compression molding is one of the simplest way to make rubber products, and actually not just for rubber material, but also a lot of thermoset and thermoplastic materials can be used. And this process is like we put either it's a powder or it can be a sheet molding compound or in other forms. Either way, we put the charge in the mold, and then it will be the mold closing, which is the compression stage, and we'll form the part. And after that, we let the polymer go through a packing stage or a curing stage. And after that, is the mold open and take the part out, get the final product. But for a lot of thermoset material and for rubber material, of course, a lot of the times we'll have flash along the parting line for the final product, and that's when we need to trim the flash and in order to have a fine final product as we wished. And in a lot of the products nowadays, compression molding is still the best molding process for certain products, especially for large parts or large, plain, relatively uniform and less small features products. Okay, and in Moldex3D, our compression molding module supports a wide range of materials. We can run a simulation for thermoset, including bulk molding compound and sheet molding compound. And as for a thermoplastic material, it can comes with a pellet or a sheet, and of course elastomer and rubber-like material.